Alright, in this video we're going to be taking a closer look at the liver and kidney. To start us off, we have different lobes of the liver. So this lobe right here is the right lateral lobe. We have the right medial lobe, the gallbladder, the quadrate lobe, the left medial lobe, the left lateral lobe, and then we have the caudate lobes, which is right here, and also this one right here next to the right lateral. So again, caudate, right lateral, right medial, quadrate, left medial, left lateral. So we're going to take a closer look at the gallbladder now. See if I can zoom in a bit. Perfect. So we have the gallbladder. And there are some ducts that will run into the gallbladder and from the gallbladder. So hepatic ducts are ducts that run into the gallbladder. So we can see some right here, and then also on the other side as well. There's a hepatic duct right there. From the gallbladder, we have the cystic duct, which is at the base of the gallbladder and runs into the common bile duct. So to see the common bile duct, we're going to kind of push everything this way. So again, the cystic duct is at the base of the gallbladder and it runs into the common bile duct, which is right here. And then we also have the hepatic portal vein, which is right here. It's kind of still a little bit red, but you can see that yellow. And typically they're stained yellow in preserved cat. So that's the hepatic portal vein. And then we're going to take a look at the kidney. So we're going to flip this guy over a bit. We're going to look at this kidney. So we do have a right and left kidney. With the kidney, just above it is the adrenal gland, which is this right here. You have one on both sides. So that was the adrenal gland. And then there's the other adrenal gland right there. So going back to this kidney, we have the kidney. We're going to open it up to reveal some structures inside. So let's see if I can keep this open a little bit better. Right, so first structure we have is the renal cortex, which is the outer edge of the kidney, and it's a little bit lighter. And then going in, we have the renal medulla, which is this portion right here. We have the renal papilla, which is this little point right here, and that drains directly below it into the renal pelvis. So the renal pelvis is like right under the renal papilla. And then all of that drains into the renal sinus, which is directly in the center. So we have the renal cortex, renal medulla, renal papilla, renal pelvis, drains into the renal sinus. We have the renal artery, which is running right here. And you can't see it because this cat isn't stained very well. But then all of this will run from the renal sinus into the ureter. And so this is the ureter right here. And the ureter will run all the way down into the urinary bladder. So you can see the ureter connects to the urinary bladder right there. And then from the urinary bladder, we have the urethra, which will take the urine out of the cat, whether it's through the urogenital sinus or through the penis, if it's a male. And that is all the structures for this video.